Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn a Trade channel. My name is Kevin Tate. Thank you for joining me today. Today, we will be going over things to know about insurance coverage for appliance repair businesses. Insurance coverage is essential for protecting both your appliance repair business and your customers. Accidents or damages can occur during repairs, and having the right insurance in place can provide financial security and a peace of mind. Consider the following types of insurance for your appliance repair business. First, we'll get into general liability insurance. This insurance covers bodily injury, property damage, and personal injury claims that may arise during the course of your business operations. It protects you from legal claims and can cover medical expenses, legal fees, and damages awarded to the injured party. Next is professional liability insurance, also known as errors and omissions insurance. This coverage is specifically designed for service-based businesses. It protects against claims arising from alleged negligence, mistakes, or inadequate workmanship. For appliance repair businesses, this insurance can cover damages caused by faulty repairs or incorrect diagnostics. Workers' compensation insurance. If you have employees, workers' compensation insurance is typically required by law. It provides coverage for medical expenses, disability benefits, and lost wages in the event that an employee is injured or becomes ill while on the job. Commercial property insurance. This insurance protects your business property, including tools, equipment, and inventory, against theft, fire, vandalism, or other covered perils. It can also cover damage to your business premises. Vehicle insurance. If you use vehicles for your appliance repair business, ensure they are covered by commercial auto insurance. This coverage protects against accidents, property damage, and liability claims related to your business vehicles. In conclusion, it is important to consult with an insurance agent who specializes in business insurance to ensure you have the appropriate coverage for your specific needs. If you are interested in finding out more or learning more about the best insurance coverage for your appliance repair business, or you want to try to understand it more, I recommend contacting a person named John.krafka. He's with Tivoli Insurance Company, and I have placed his email on the screen here, and I will also place his email down in the description along with the phone number to Tivoli Insurance. Or you can check out any other insurance company as long as they specialize in business insurance. You want to be sure to talk to a company that specializes in business insurance, and they will be able to guide you the right way for the proper coverages. I thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Click on the helpful links in the description for help finding your insurance coverage, or to order my Business Basics Training Guide, which is on our channel shop link or on our website shop link. I thank you all again. Take care and stay well.